Good morning students, welcome back to physics class. The previous class we were discussed rubber lens makeup formula. Okay, I hope all of you learned the topic very well. Today we are going to discuss about powers of a lens. So what do you mean by power of a lens? Actually the power means ability. Ability of a lens to converge or diverge light rays depends on its focal length. Okay, so what is the power? Power is the ability of a lens to converge or diverge light rays depends on its focal length. Okay, so I draw a convex lens here. So this is a convex lens. Then this is the principal axis. Okay, so this optical center. When a ray of light parallel to principal axis, what happened? After refraction, it is passing through focus. Okay, so this is the focus. Then you know that the distance between optical center and its focus, we call it as focal length. Okay, so actually this ray, so I extended this incident ray like this one. So this is a angle or degree of convergence. Okay, so it is denoted by letter theta. Okay, so when a ray of light parallel to principal axis after refraction passing through focus, that means the ray bending. Okay, that is converge that ray. Okay, then I have drawn another convex lens. Then this optical center, when a ray of light passing parallel principal axis after refraction passing through focus. Okay, so this one is the focus. Then distance between optical center and focus, we call it a focal length. Then you have to compare these two ray diagrams. So this is the first case. Then this is the second case. The first case of focal length. Focal length is, so it is denoted by letter F1. Then this is F2. So the first case of focal length F1 is greater than F2. And I say that this lens, the first case, the convex lens has less power compared to the second case. Okay, so the first case the power is less, then the second case the power is more. So actually the power of a lens is defined as a reciprocal of its focal length. So what is the power? Power of a lens is defined as a reciprocal of its focal length. The degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by a lens is expressed in terms of its power. Okay, so the degree of convergence. Convergence means when you draw a line, then this is a degree of convergence. So the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by a lens is expressed in terms of its power. Okay, so how can be represented as power? P is equal to is what? P is equal to reciprocal of its focal length means what? 1 by F. Okay, so P is equal to 1 by F is its power. And also see this diagrams. So in the case of convex lens, shorter focal length bends light rays through large angle. Shorter focal length means this one. So in that case, the degree of convergence is larger than compared to this lens. Okay, similarly concave lens of very short focal length causes higher divergence than the one with longer focal length. So the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by lens is expressed in terms of focal length. Okay, the next one, the SI unit of power of a lens is what? The SI unit of power of a lens is diopter. D-I-O-P-T-R-E. The SI unit of power of a lens is diopter. It is denoted by letter capital letter D. Okay, then how can we define one diopter? One diopter of a power of a lens. One diopter is equal to 1 divided by what is the SI unit of focal length? Meter. So what is 1 diopter? 1 diopter is equal to meter raised to minus 1. Okay, so 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. So how can we define 1 diopter? 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Okay, the SI unit of power of a lens is diopter. Then the next question is, how can we define one diopter? One diopter is defined as the power of a lens whose focal length is what? 1 meter. Okay, and also you may note that the power of a convex lens. The power of a convex lens is what? The power of a convex lens is positive, and that of a concave lens is negative. Okay, the power of a convex lens is positive and power of a concave lens is negative. Okay, suppose a opticians prescribe corrective lenses indicate the powers. Let us say the lens prescribed has a power equal to plus 2.0 diopter. Then what is its meaning? That is, this means the lens prescribed is which type of lens here? Because it is a positive 2.0 diopter, so it is a which lens? Convex lens. So it is a convex lens. Okay, then the focal length of the lens, how can we calculate the focal length of the lens? You know that P is equal to what? 1 by F. Okay, so F is what? F is equal to 1 by P. That is, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 diopter. So here the focal length is expressed in meter. Okay, so 1 by 2 is what? 0.5 meter. So focal length is what? 0.5 meter. Okay, 0.5 meter is his focal length. Okay, similarly, if a lens of power minus 2.5 diopter, so which type of lens this one? Which type of the lens is this one? So because it is a negative sign, so this is a concave lens. Okay, and how can we calculate its focal length? You know that focal length is equal to what? 1 by P, which is equal to what? 1 divided by 2.5. Okay, minus 2.5, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 0.4, negative 0.4 meter is his focal length, and this lens is a concave. Okay. The next topic is equivalent focal length and power of two thin lenses in contact. So you have to find out the equivalent focal length when two or more lenses comes in contact. So here I am considering only two lenses, L1 and L2. Then you have to find out the equivalent focal length of these two lenses. Okay, so first you have to consider two lenses L1 and L2 be two thin lenses of focal length of first lens L1 is f1 and L2 is f2. Okay, then these two lenses place coaxially in contact with one another. So first we have to consider two thin lenses of focal length f1 and f2 respectively place coaxially in contact with one another. Okay, then let O be the point object on the principal axis of the lens system. O be the object. Okay, then OC1 is what? U, object distance. In the absence of the second lens L2, the first lens L1 will form a real image I dash of O at a distance. What? C1 to I dash is V dash. Okay, so O is the object. So the first lens L1 is forms a real image I dash. Okay, and its image distance denoted by letter V dash. Okay, so you know that thin lens formula. That means usual formula of lens formula. So what is lens formula? 1 by F is equal to what? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Okay, so here you have to use this formula. So the first lens has focal length f1. So it is denoted by 1 by f1. Okay, 1 by f1 is equal to 1 by V means image distance. So here V dash, it is denoted by letter V dash. V dash minus 1 by U. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Okay, so then this image I dash will act as a virtual object of the second lens L2. Okay, I again repeat, O is the object. So the first lens L1 forms a real image I dash. Okay, then this image I dash will act as a virtual object of the lens L2. Okay, so a real image of I dash is formed at I. So I is a real image at a distance of what? V. So C2 I is what? V. Okay, then again how to apply this formula? It's thin lens formula. So here 1 by, so the second lens, the focal length is f2. So 1 by f2 is equal to what? 1 by, so image distance is what? V, minus what is its object distance? U of V dash. So here I dash is act as is virtual object. Okay, so its object distance is taken as V dash here. So 1 divided by V dash. This is equation number 2. Okay, next step, adding equation number 1 and 2. Okay, so you have to add equation number 1 and 2. So 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 is equal to what? Is equal to 1 by v dash minus 1 by u plus 1 by v minus 1 by v dash. So what happened? 1 by v dash, 1 by v dash cancelled. Then 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 is equal to what? 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by v minus 1 by u is what? 1 by f. So 1 by f is equal to what? 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay, so what is 1 by f? So 1 by f is equal to what? 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Okay, for the combination of thin lenses in contact, if f is a equivalent focal length, so here this f is a equivalent focal length. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. This is power. So P is equal to what? P1 plus P2. Okay, so suppose n thin lenses in contact, n thin lenses in contact, then what is his equivalent focal length? So that means 1 by f is equal to what? 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3 plus etc. plus 1 by what? f1. And also his power is P is equal to what? P1 plus P2 plus etc. plus Pn. Okay.